I am very honored and humbled to stand before you today as the 16th president of Iowa State University. As president, I promise to serve this great university so that it may reach its highest potential and academic excellence. I pledge to lead this university forward to become the best land-grant university in the nation. Working together, we will continue to excel.
Toreador, vanguard, toreador, toreador.
My ISU adventure began on a cold, snowy day in November of 1978. A few years later, I decided to pursue my PhD in entomology at Iowa State. After progressing through the ranks, I sensed that ISU might be looking for something different in a new president. I decided to lean in and take that chance. The Cyclone faithful will immediately know that this is someone who is not passing through, but is like them, forever true. My passion for Iowa State continues after these 39 years because I know how it transformed me. I know Iowa State has transformed many of you here today. I believe in the future of Iowa State University, in the potential of our students, the excellence of our researchers, the transformative power of our educators, and the strategic commitment and dedication of our staff. Thank you for supporting Iowa State University and allowing me to serve. Thank you.